working on a 2012 Jeep Patriot, and the check engine light came on, read the codes, and it's bringing up P0441, which is saying incorrect purge flow in evap system. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the evap canister purge solenoid. So really quick here, I'll show you. Just use my cheap Amazon $28 scan tool here. Plug that into the OBD2 down here. And let me go ahead and turn the key here. And we'll go to diagnose. And we'll go to DTC count, ECM, PCM, read codes, stored codes. And then as you can see right there, P0441, evaporative emission system, incorrect purge flow. So go ahead and pop your hood. Okay, so with your hood popped here, you want to go back by the driver's side firewall here. And what we're going to be replacing is this solenoid right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and first disconnect the electrical connector there. So you got that red tab, and you want to push that towards the front of the car. And then use your thumb here, press down on that, and go ahead and pull this off. Like that. So next, go ahead and, you got this little tab right here, holding it on here. So you can press that, and then just slide it towards the passenger side here, and you can see it just slides off that little bracket there. And then if you can, go ahead and reach your other hand down in here. And let's go ahead and flip it over here. And you can see that line down below here. So if we take this, just push on it here, and you can see that unlatches from there. And then we got this vacuum line here. So go ahead and pull this off. You have to twist and turn it a little bit. And that line is on there pretty good. There we go. Then go ahead and pull it out of here. So let's go ahead and take a look at our new solenoid here. I went with the standard motor products. Got this off Amazon, super cheap on there. I'll put a link in the description for it. Part number CP646. And let's just compare it to the old one here. So you can see, looks pretty much identical here. And you can also look at your electrical connector there. And you can see just a 2-pin. So let's go ahead and stick this on. So let's go ahead and put in our new purge solenoid here. Get it down in here. And go ahead and connect this vacuum line here first. And you also want to just inspect it, make sure it's not leaking out of this as well. Get that on there. Nice and tight. Grab your other line down here. And that should just snap on there. Just like that. And let's get it down here into the bracket. And you should hear it click like that. Grab your electrical connector. Stick that on, and then just push this towards the back. Locks it in place. So as you can see, got my scan tool hooked back up here. So let me go ahead and turn the key, and we will erase this code. Erase codes. Okay, been cleared. So now I'll just go ahead and start it. Make sure everything's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this for a spin real quick, come back, rescan it just to make sure that code doesn't come back. So I just got back from a little bit of a drive here, went ahead and scanned it again, and no more code. So that seemed to take care of the P0441. Another thing you can try as well is try replacing your fuel cap with a brand new one. I've seen where that works as well. But in this case, it ended up being the evap canister purge solenoid. And like I said, I'll put a link in the description for that part. And I'll also put one in there for that little scan tool I used. That works pretty good as well. So hopefully this video helps you out. Again, this was a 2012 Jeep Patriot, and I had code P0441 and ended up replacing the evap canister purge solenoid. Really simple to do, only takes you maybe 5-10 minutes at the most. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.